Hi, my name is John, and in this video I will show you how to edit and use the button set of Fancy Bricks. And this is the first button set, and you can see that have some variation, and you can use this for keep the consistency on all your website in the buttons. Okay, for this you can go to the button set. Okay, you can see that this is the primary small. Click on the button, and in this case you can see that in the content you don't have a size, style. All styles have are in the class. Okay, this is the primary class. Okay, Fancy Bricks button, in this case name and reveal, and you can see that this is the style. Okay, layout, and you can change this value for all buttons. Okay, this is the padding for all buttons. You can change this, example 1.5, 1.5, and you can see that all buttons change this padding. Okay, this is the one. Okay, this button is a small button. I will show you how to edit in one moment. In this case you can edit the padding, layout, the typography. You can change the typography, font size, for example 20 pixels, and all buttons will change the font size. Okay, you can use rem. Okay, okay, you can change the value. You can change the font weight, and line height is important that you set 1 and the border, you can change the border. Okay, the border radius, and if you change this border radius, all buttons will change the border radius. Okay, you can see that all buttons keep the consistency for this. Okay, for example, okay, 0, all buttons will change with this primary class or principal class for the the buttons. Okay, 0.5. Okay, this is the way to edit. Some buttons have CSS code. You can see the CSS. Some sets have the CSS in the modifier, the variation of the button. Okay, this is the way to edit the global class for all buttons, and you can edit the modifier. For example, this is the primary button. You can edit the background. Okay, if you change this background, you can see that all primary buttons change this color of background. Okay, typography, white. Okay, you can see, and hover. Okay, click on the arrow, hover, typography, the background. Okay, you can change the background, for example this, and now this, and you can see that this change. Okay, in this case I unselect, and now okay, this is a book for bricks, and now you can see that this button change for all primary buttons. Click on primary, click on hover, and in this case, in this button set, you can see that this have a box shadow. You can change the box shadow color. You can edit this. Okay, okay, this is the way to edit, and for all others buttons you need it's the same way to edit. Okay, I will show you how to edit the secondary button. This is the primary class and the modifier. You can click on the secondary, typography, change the typography, the background, and for this button have a class named small. Okay, you can see that this is small. If you change this class small, all elements with this class small will change. Okay, this is small, this is small. Okay, you can see that all buttons have your version of small. Okay, you can change this, for example, from 5.5. Okay, you can see that this change. Okay, you can change this value and all buttons will change with the class named small. You can change the typography for small buttons. Okay, you can see that small buttons, all small buttons will change. You can edit the buttons. Okay, this is a button with outline. Okay, the outline version. Click on the button, click on the outline. You can change the typographic color. You can change the the background color in this case is transparent. Okay, and for border box shadow you can change this value. Okay, 3, 1, 2. Okay, this is the border radius for the button. You can change this color for the border, the box shadow. In this case is the border, and you can change the typography. Example, this is the this is blue. Okay, the blue, and you can change the border box. You can change this for blue, and now you can see that this will change the color and the border. Okay, for this element, this is the same way to edit. Click on primary white, primary, this is the secondary white, outline white. Okay, this is the outline white color, the primary white color. You can see that you have different versions of the variation for the button that you keep the consistency on all your website. Okay, I hope you liked this video, this set, and I will release more buttons sets soon. Okay.